Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Hovinan Narcisse. And for today, we're going to unbox the second package or parcel that I got from Ironheart. I bought these items from Ironheart as part of their season sale. This is 15% discount from most of their items on their online website. So we're going to open this now. The usual brown bag, the green outer plastic bag, and we will see what is inside. I've been collecting white loop shirts, so I got two two white loop shirts from Ironheart, and they are on size medium. And I got their loop shirt on the different colors. I'm beginning to like the gray color, so I will use this so that there will be no indigo transfer to my jacket, salvage jacket, or western shirt. I have observed lately that if I use white shirt as my inside shirt, there is a possibility that there is an indigo transfer from my salvage jacket or salvage western shirt to my white shirt. So I opted to order a colored shirt from Ironheart. And then the last one is color olive green. It's also on size medium. So I believe these are loop shirts. We're going to open this one, and you will see the texture is very thick. This is 6.5 ounces of weight, and there's some Ironheart tag at the bottom end of the shirt. There is no print on the shirt. This is very thick, and you can see how smooth the weave is. This is a Loopwheel shirt, so you don't see any seam on the side. You usually see a seam at the bottom of your armpit all the way going down. So there is no seam on this shirt, and it is very nice. I got their usual catalog, some discount, and an Ironheart sticker. We'll try to open this. Just the same, this is the fabric is thick, very small, smooth, yeah, and very tight neckline. And as usual, you have your signature brand at the bottom end of the said shirt. Very nice. So we'll have it fit, and the next video will show how these t-shirts will fit on me. As you can see on the tag, this is size medium, and it is 100% cotton. All the shirts that I ordered are coming from Ironheart are 100% cotton. All of them are Loopwheel Shirts. Nice.